Hi, I'm Megan Ross. We're here at Avid Connect 2018. Standing to my right is Jeff Stepakoff with the Georgia Film Academy. Jeff, tell us a little bit about the Georgia Film Academy, but then I know you want to talk about Georgia and what you guys are doing down there for film.
I do, Megan, but before I can talk to you about the Georgia Film Academy, I first have to explain why we exist so you have some context. And in that regard, you need to know that when we talk about film and television production in Georgia, Georgia is actually number 3 in the country for film and television production. We're actually number 5 in the world. And when we talk about major feature films, the top grossing feature films, 17 of the top 100 last year produced in Georgia. That makes us the #1 destination in the entire world for film and television production. 320 film and television productions in Georgia last year. Over 92,200 Georgians working now in the film and television industry. Pretty amazing, right? So why is this happening? For a lot of reasons. World-class airport, great shooting locations, and a world-class tax credit. In addition, we have incredible infrastructure. Did you know that there are over 100 sound stages in Georgia right now? So we have all these amazing things, but do we have enough crew to support this explosive industry in our great state? Yes, we do. To make sure we have enough crew, the Georgia Film Academy was created about 3 years ago.
Okay.
So what do we do at the Georgia Film Academy? One, we provide leadership. We make sure that all of our USG, University System of Georgia institutions, and our TCSG, Technical College System of Georgia institutions, all work together collaboratively. Okay. They're all singing off the same song sheet. Number 2, jobs for Georgians. We want to make sure that we put our students and our neighbors and our returning vets to work on our sound stages and our sets. And number 3, we're deeply committed to a permanent and sustainable entertainment industry.
Okay.
I'd like to tell you more about what that means when we talk about our relationship with Avid.
Yes. So, I will take this back. So, tell me a little bit about why you guys decided to become an Avid learning partner.
I would love to. Did you hear the part about a permanent and sustainable entertainment industry?
I did.
What does that mean? Well, we're very committed first and foremost to our crew base. Specifically, we now have enough crew, below the line crew members, scenic, electric, grip, rigging, to meet this explosive demand in our state. And we're going to continue with that mission at the GFA. And in fact, to be clear, that mission, meeting the below-the-line crew needs, is job 1 for the Georgia Film Academy. But in addition, and I would argue that unlike any other state, we are not just committed to a production industry, but in fact, to a permanent business that has the full ecosystem of the entertainment industry, from content creation, writing, to production, which we have now in a world-class way. Are you hearing the part where we're killing it when it comes to film and television production? To number 3, post-production. So, when we talk about post-production, we talk about Avid. And when we talk about Avid, we talk about being an Avid learning partner. So this is why we are incredibly committed to working with Avid, because we are incredibly committed to post-production in Georgia. When it comes to film, Georgia is all in. So that means post and the full range of the ecosystem.
So I'm going to let you interview me. So, Jeff, tell me a little bit why having certifications are important to not only you, but to the students.
Great question.
Thank you.
Well, it's important to let industry know that we're not just providing academic training, but in fact professional training. So to be clear, what students are getting, along with college credit, is access to industry. When I say that Georgia's all in when it comes to film, what I mean is we're letting industry know that we have a professionally trained workforce, right?
Okay.
So when it comes to post-production, Avid certification is, shall we say, the gold standard of post-production certification. So it's very meaningful to us to offer this. Am I also pointing out enough how excited we are about this new partnership?
You could say it again.
We are very excited at the Georgia Film Academy to be working with Avid on this new certification and to be partnering on our new post-production training courses at the Georgia Film Academy.
So, one more question for you. How can people learn more and how can they get involved with you guys?
Boy, can I answer that.
I bet you can.
GeorgiaFilmAcademy.org. Go there, check it out, see what we're doing. It's very exciting. Back to you, Megan.
Much. All right, that was great. Thank you so much, Jeff. Georgia Film Academy. Go learn more about these guys, and we'll see you later at Avid Connect.
Thank you.